The fluorescent lights of the emergency room hum a relentless, sterile tune. I remember a night not so long ago, standing over a patient, the heart monitor's steady beep the only constant in a room full of chaos. The patient's symptoms were a puzzle, a confusing constellation of data points that didn't fit any textbook. Every second felt like an eternity, the pressure immense. We are human, and the fear of missing something is a constant companion. Despite centuries of medical knowledge, we're still limited by human cognition. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. The brain is not a supercomputer. We rely on experience and intuition, but sometimes that isn't enough to see the faint signal in the noise. In these moments, the promise of a new tool emerges. Imagine an assistant that never tires, has read every medical study, and can analyze millions of data points in an instant. This is the reality of artificial intelligence entering medicine. AI isn't here to replace doctors or nurses. It's here to augment our abilities. It helps us carry the immense weight of responsibility, ensuring we make the best decisions for our patients. Technology has always been part of medicine's evolution. AI is the next step. It turns overwhelming data into actionable insights, empowering doctors to focus on what matters, the patient. With AI, moments of uncertainty can become moments of clarity and hope. Artificial intelligence is not the new doctor. It won't hold a patient's hand or deliver a diagnosis with empathy. Instead, think of AI as the most tireless, knowledgeable medical resident imaginable. It works alongside clinicians, freeing them from data overload. AI handles what machines do best, processing vast information with speed and precision. It streamlines patient histories, lab results, and imaging, highlighting what matters most before the doctor enters the room. This means more time for meaningful patient conversations and trust building. AI is already acting as a vigilant second set of eyes, predicting complications and suggesting treatments. The final decision always remains with the human expert, but the synergy of human and AI is powerful. This isn't about replacing physicians. It's about empowering them to be the best healers they can be. AI's most immediate impact is in diagnostics, especially medical imaging. Radiologists and pathologists are expert pattern recognizers, but even they face fatigue and overwhelming image volumes. AI, trained on millions of images, can spot disease patterns with accuracy rivaling top experts. For example, AI tools have detected metastatic cancer in biopsies more accurately than panels of pathologists. The real power is in collaboration. AI pre-screens images, flags urgent cases, and acts as a safety net. This reduces human error and leads to earlier, more accurate diagnoses. In underserved areas, AI-powered tools on smartphones bring expert-level screening to remote communities. A rural provider can use AI to screen for diseases and refer high-risk patients, democratizing access to care. AI in diagnostics means your zip code doesn't determine your chance at a life-saving diagnosis. Bringing a new drug to market is slow, expensive, and often ends in failure. AI is transforming drug discovery by analyzing vast chemical and biological data to predict which compounds will work. This means moving from hypothesis to viable drug candidates in weeks, not years. During COVID-19, AI identified drugs for repurposing in record time. The first AI-designed drug entered clinical trials in 2020, proving AI can create new therapies from scratch. Faster, cheaper discovery makes it possible to target rare and neglected diseases, not just blockbusters. AI levels the playing field, offering hope to families waiting for breakthroughs. This is more than a technological revolution. It's a humanitarian one. Medicine has long relied on a one-size-fits-all approach, but we all respond differently to treatments. The future is personalized medicine, tailored to each person's unique biology. AI unlocks this future by analyzing genetic, lifestyle, and health data at scale. It can identify subtle links between genes, habits, and disease risk. In cancer, AI matches genetic mutations to targeted therapies, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Pharmacogenomics helps doctors choose the right drug and dose for each patient. AI also enables personalized prevention. Your health assistant could analyze your data and recommend diet or exercise to lower your specific risks. It could alert you to early signs of illness, prompting proactive care. This is about creating a personalized roadmap to lifelong wellness. With AI, we move from reactive medicine to empowered, proactive health. Burnout among healthcare professionals is a crisis driven by endless administrative tasks AI can take over repetitive data-driven work, like clinical documentation, freeing doctors to focus on patients. AI-powered scribes generate notes in real time, restoring the human connection in care. Intelligent algorithms optimize hospital operations from scheduling to billing, reducing friction and frustration. By streamlining the system, AI creates a calmer, safer environment for patients and staff. Most importantly, it helps restore the joy of practicing medicine. Less burnout means better care, fewer errors, and more compassion. In healing the healers, AI makes the whole system healthier. As we embrace AI in medicine, excitement is matched by ethical challenges. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and human oversight are critical concerns. Protecting patient privacy and building transparent ethical frameworks is essential. AI must be trained on diverse data to avoid bias and ensure equity. Doctors need to understand how AI makes recommendations. Transparency and accountability are non-negotiable. The final decision must always rest with a human clinician. Technology is a tool, not a replacement for empathy or judgment. The future of medicine is a collaboration human wisdom, AI's analytical power. Surgeons guided by robots, nurses freed by automation, doctors empowered by data. Let's approach this future with curiosity and optimism. Together, human and machine can create a healthier world. The promise of AI in medicine is not just innovation, it's hope.